Hello everyone, this is Mona, your YouTube creator, and today I would like to show you my new Black Decker. This is a bread toaster, a griller, and also a broiler. We have to replace our old toaster because griller is not working anymore, so we just want a simple toaster, so my husband ordered this. So I'll show you and let's unbox it, okay? You see, we bought the same brand because toaster is like more than 10 years and they give me really a very good service. Like 10 years is not bad, you know. So I think that, I hope that they're still making the same good quality as we have a very good experience in Black Decker. So my husband bought this small one, and we have a very small kitchen. So if I really wanted to buy a bigger one, which has so many functions, but right now I don't think we should buy a bigger one because we don't have space anymore in the kitchen. So here it is. Here it has the same function, I think, as the old one, with broiler, griller, toaster, and let me see, bake. Yes, broiler, bake, toast, and broiler. So this is very good. So here it is. There's the tray, the same as the other one, but this one is a bit smaller. It's okay. We don't need the big stuff in the kitchen. There you go. So next is I have to sanitize it and try it if it's working good. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you in my next video.